Okay, time to take a look at the ALTOCRAFT cordless cutter. So it comes with a USB-A to USB-C charging cord. I really like the grip on this thing. So it is a nice rubberized grip, very comfortable to hold, and a nice large trigger on it as well. So if we press the trigger, nothing's going to happen. If we press the power button, nothing's going to happen. But if we press the power button and pull the trigger, then it works. So I like that. It's got kind of a safety on it. Looks like we also have a light on the front, and we got our charging port on the back. So it's a good design blade. You can see we got the blade on the top and we have an anvil on the bottom. So it actually has something that's going to cut against. It also has this path that's going to guide material up into the blade, and it looks like it can fit in approximately 1/4 of an inch into that area. So I got some reinforced gloves. Let's go ahead and see if it can cut through that. Oh yeah, even with the rubber material and all, no problem. Cool. So even though this can cut through this fairly heavy duty material, the main benefit of this, as opposed to something like scissors, is if you're cutting through a lot of material. If you got scissors and you cut, you might have that kind of jagged edge where you kind of lift it and then cut again. With this, as long as you can follow a straight line, you're going to be able to make that nice straight cut. So this is what I want to try this on. It is a little thicker than what this is designed for, but I think it might squeeze down. Oh yeah, that works very nicely. So if you make long cuts and filters, that's the guy for it. Yeah, that's a pretty cool little cutter.